you use ArcGIS Pro often, you probably repeat the same symbology in many projects. In this video, I will show you how to create your own style library, save layer settings, and reuse your cartography in just a few clicks. First, I'm going to create my own custom style. This style will store all of my symbols and cartographic resources so I can reuse them in future GIS projects. In the catalog panel, under Styles, I right-click and select New Style. I choose a location and create my custom style library. In this project, I added different GIS layers. In cartography, it's common to organize layers with points at the top, then lines, polygons, and raster layers at the bottom. This helps avoid overlaps and improves map readability. I'll start with the elevation points layer. I select a symbol, choose one from the symbol gallery, and customize it the way I want. Once the symbol is ready, I click Save Symbol to Style, give it a name, and most importantly, in the Style field I select my custom style library. Now my symbol is permanently available inside my own gallery and I can reuse it in any project. Now let's move to the rows layer. I choose a lane symbol, edit its color and width, and again save it into my custom style. This allows me to maintain consistent cartography across projects without recreating the symbology every time. For rivers, I'm going to create different symbols depending on the river hierarchy: main rivers, secondary rivers, and tertiary rivers. Each symbol is saved into my style library so I can reuse them later. I'll do the same for contour lines. I create different symbols for master contours, secondary contours, and auxiliary contours. These symbols are also saved into my custom style. Finally, for the buildings layer, I create a polygon symbol and save it into my style following the same workflow. Now, let's go one step further. For example, my contour lines layer is already configured with different symbology rules based on elevation values, and its visibility is also controlled by map scale. Instead of recreating all this configuration every time, I can save the entire layer configuration. I right-click the layer, go to Sharing, and select Save as Layer File. I save the layer file together with my custom style library. I'll do the same for my rivers layer, which already contains categorized symbology based on river hierarchy. By saving it as layer file, I preserve symbology, labels, scale visibility, rendering, and layer configuration. Now I'll add a completely new contour layer and a new rivers layer. In the Symbology panel, I select Import Symbology and choose my saved layer files. After clicking Run, the complete cartographic configuration is automatically applied in just a few seconds. With this workflow, I can build my own professional GIS cartography library. I can reuse my symbols, my layer configurations, and my personal cartographic style across different projects and even different computers. If I change computers, I simply copy my styles and layers files to a USB drive and instantly keep my entire cartographic workflow. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.